Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. It's only going to be a quick one here today because so far not too much has happened. We continue to move in this range, in this channel. It's not terribly well defined. By the way, we're currently looking here at the spot chart. But yeah, it's not a terribly well defined channel. I might even need to change it to make it fit for the latest price action, but it's not great. So I'll play around with that a little bit later, but yeah, it's more to use that channel sort of more as a guide to understand that we're still in a corrective structure. The good news is the move of the 14th of April low looks like an impulse, and the move down currently looks like a correction. I might actually even change the WXY into an ABC. Certainly a possibility due to the situation that we moved down in three waves, A, B, C. So that is an A wave in three waves. Then we had an A, B, C in wave B, overshooting B wave. And we're now coming down in a C wave of wave 2. I will also move the support range to the right hand side a little bit. And my view remains that we have a good chance that an overall B wave low could have been made here on the 14th of April. This is a 1-2 setup, and yeah, as long as we're holding 197, there is a good chance to rally in a third wave. But really, until then, all of this is part of the wave 2 correction. Yeah, it can use the entire box basically. Next support would be $2.03, which is the golden ratio, 61.8 retracement, and then we've got the 197 level. Good indication that the overall low here has been made in the wave 2. Would be the first indication that the low has been made. Would be if price breaks above the wave 1 high, which I'm currently counting at 227. And then we've got here these swing highs around the 234 level. That would be an even better confirmation that the wave 2 has been made here and that we're actually rallying in a third wave. But besides that, there is not much more to add. Again, the good news is the move up was impulsive. The move down looks corrective. Yeah. So from that point of view, I'm still focused here short term on higher in a C wave of wave 4. However, it's still very early days because this reaction here is really the first impulsive or possibly impulsive reaction for a long time. So quite naturally, we need to operate here with caution. But yeah, because things aren't that confirmed yet. Yeah, it's very, very early days in this possible trend change. So that's currently the view on the spot chart. So let's take a look at the futures chart as well. Situation here, no, this is still the spot chart situation here on the futures chart, and I need to open it separately. I didn't apparently. So on the futures chart, however, situation is very similar. They tend to move in similar ways. I will now also change the count here. Already highlighted to you yesterday that the move up doesn't really look impulsive. And I so far only had the wave 2 low here marked provisionally on the 20th of April, but I think the wave 2, as on the spot chart, is just shifting a little bit to the right hand side in a flat pattern. The overall wave count is the same. Expectations would be, if we continue to see follow through, that we're now in a C wave of a wave 4. And let me just adjust it and zoom in. So yeah, idea here as well, in very similar ways to the previous chart, that we had a rally of the 14th of April low in a wave 1 in a 5-wave move to the upside here. Peaked here around 231. Then we came down in an A wave in a 3-wave move. So I just need to move these across here. Then we had an overshooting B wave here. That was at around 253, yeah, and now we're coming down in this C wave, and that C wave could be an ending diagonal, and the relevant support level here is $2.02. Here, this move down doesn't look that much corrective as on the spot chart. Yeah, the spot chart, in my opinion, here is a bit clearer. On the futures chart, it's a bit ambiguous, allows for different interpretations, but certainly the move to the upside really wasn't very impulsive, so rather corrective, and that is a good explanation for why we are now coming down in quite an impulsive way. I, however, taking the entire thing into account, it looks to me as if this is just a flat pattern. Yeah, in a flat pattern, you can get overshooting B waves. And yeah, let's see. So next support here is $2.17, $2.13, $2.09, and $2.02. And only below $2.02, the 78.6 retracement, I would assume that this third wave rally isn't going to happen. And instead, we need to be watching for new bear market lows. All right, that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.